Alright guys, welcome to this new video, and today we are going to be learning how to make this CD mockup, the pack and the disc mockup in Corel Draw. So this is the image we're going to be using. So I'm going to link this the link to download this image and this one also going to be in the description. Also, if you want our advanced Corel Draw manipulation course where we did 12 Photoshop manipulations on Corel Draw, that course is still available at 3,000 naira or 4,000 naira in seller. So let's get right to the video. So the first thing we're going to do here, obviously we need to create a mask. We can create a mask like this, but I can see that this is it's not straight. So what I'll do, I'm going to use the pen tool to just create a mask. So I'm going to click here once, then I'm going to go here, then now I'm going to come down to this place here. I'm going to also come here and I'm going to return up here. Alright, so that's done for that. Now we're going to do for the disc. So we'll just create a cycle like this, then just make sure it aligns properly. So let's reduce this a bit and see. Alright, so what we're going to do, as you can see, just make sure you have a cycle that matches the exact disc cycle. Now we're going to duplicate this cycle in something like this. As you can see, this is where the other one stopped. So now what are we going to do? We're going to click on this, hold shift down and click the larger cycle, and we're going to trim. So as we trim like this, we're going to remove this. So next thing we're going to do, we're going to duplicate this image here into two. So this one needs to be cut and paste so that it'll be on top, or you use shift page up. So I'm going to just adjust this one, right click and paste it into this power clip here. Now we're just going to adjust it to our taste. As you can see, the image is not really it's not straight. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to objects, I'm going to go to perspective, add perspective, so that I can just follow the exact I'm just going to follow it up here like that. So the aspect ratio is not really good, so I'm just going to adjust it a bit. Alright, so we have this for in this side here. Now for this cover here, we're just going to do the same thing. We just power clip into here like this. Probably we can mirror the image if you like, so you have something like this, your choice. So I'm going to highlight this one because the disc is currently on top, but the disc is supposed to be under. So I'm just going to paste this. I'm going to click the two of them, and I'm going to remove the black outline. Now after doing this, we're actually done like this, but there's some extra touches that we can do right here, which is apply feather blur effect. Now we're going to click this one, we're going to go to effect, we're going to go to blur. Okay, if you go to effect and go to blur and you don't see any option here, what you need to do is to convert it to a bitmap. But what I would advise, if you want to be using this for projects in the future, you can just keep one aside like this, which you can always use to edit whatever you want to use for the mockup. Now we'll come to this image here, go to bitmap, go to convert Okay, do the next for this here. Okay, then now we'll go to effects, blur, feather blur, and we'll just give it a very small value, something like 1 or 2. 1 may be okay. We'll do the same thing for this side. Effects, blur, feather. I will take it to 1 also, like this. So this is what we have. As you can see, this white down here, you cannot go to your, just go to objects and go to perspective. You add perspective again. As you can see, so you can remove those white. So you can actually find better images that have a more squared cover, but this is basically just an idea of how it's done. So if you like this tutorial, you can like the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.